So there's a variety of pipes. We've just got a broom, some garden stakes which we've tied as well with the same knot I'll show you, and just a pull noodle. So you can go around, you can either go around twice or just go around once. I'll do it both ways. With the tag end, just wrap it around and just an overhand knot. Pull that tight and just pull back on the line. It'll hold itself there tight, a half a hitch through the tag end and another one. Trim it off. So I'll do another one and I'll go around once. Overhand knot, pull it pretty tight. And you can pull it as tight or make the knot as loose as you want. And just another, like a half hitch. Trim that off. Give it a shot.